welcome back to my channel. So we're starting off with these white strips. I live for these, and we're just gonna tie our hair back in vibes, and then we finna start on our makeup. So I always prime with this Hydro Grip primer, and then it's straight on to the brows. I don't know about y'all, but I always conceal my brows, so that's what I'm gonna go do. I have a little bit of face mask on my eyebrows if y'all see that, but we are gonna pretend like we don't. Once I finish blending my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my foundation stick, and I love this thing, I swear to God. Then I'm going in with a darker shade to contour. Now I'm grabbing my Mario Badescu spray, spraying that all over my face, and then I'm gonna blend out my foundation. And I would love to know who I was texting because sincerely I have no friends. Now we're moving on to concealer. I just put a little bit under my eyes. I try not to do OD, but you know, regular spots. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out with my beauty blender. Now I'm going in and I'm setting my under eyes with the airspun powder. So now I'm going in with contour powder, and I'm doing my nose first, my lips, and then my eyes, and then I'm gonna go in and do my face. Onto blush, I'm taking these two blushes that I really love and packing that on my cheeks. Heavy. And then I'm just blending it out with this big brush. Now I'm taking this white liquid liner and I'm just putting 2 dots under my eyes, letting that dry, and now I'm lining my lips. This combo, y'all, I'm not even gonna, if y'all want it, just let me know, because I don't really know it. I would have to go get it. But then I go ahead and put concealer in the middle, and then I use a clear gloss on top. This is for my birthmark that I love to do, and mascara, and boom, onto the hair. Before I start my hair, I always make sure it's combed through, no knots, but let's fast forward this. This is what I really look like when I'm done. Onto the outfit, we have this cute little dress from Pretty Little Thing. I think actually everything is from Pretty Little Thing, and this is just in a size 2. Then I have this cute little white bag, and then onto the boots. These are dumb cute little white pleather go-go boots, and this is the entire outfit.
Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.